Today I'm going to teach you how to master your triads. When I learned this exercise, it took my playing, especially in the genres of blues, reggae, funk, R&B, and soul, to a different level completely, okay? So today we're going to focus on major triads. There are minor triads, augmented triads, all these different kinds of triads, but we're not going to focus on those. We're going to focus on mastering the major triad. And once you understand that thoroughly, you can apply the same principles to any other kind of triad and it's going to work. Okay, so let's get started with this exercise. You're going to start off with this D major shape over here. So we're going to work our way up the strings like this. So we're going to start on the first three. So G, B, and E, we're going to start on that set. There's a D major triad over there. There's another D major triad over here. There's another D major triad over here. And then finally you're back to the shape you started on over here, but this is just an octave higher. So if you're playing an acoustic guitar and you don't have access to the higher frets, don't worry about it. Just stop on this triad. Okay, next we're moving on to the D, G, and B strings. So you have an A major triad like that. Then you have another A major triad over here. And then you have another A major triad over here. And then finally you're back to the shape you started on. Then we're moving on to the A, D, and G string sets, and this is the E major triad. And finally the C, which is on the E, A, and D strings. So now the way you can practice this is by creating a little ditty or a little tune or a little picking exercise. That's what I like to do. So I like to go. Tricky over there. Okay, so try that out. And why would you want to use triads? Well, it's going to give your compositions a little bit more depth. Let's say the other guitar player in your band is playing G, D, C. You don't want to play G, D, C as well. You want to play. So that's going to give your songs so much more depth and dynamics. And also it's going to give you a spot in the frequency spectrum to cut through the mix. Hope that helps. I'll see you in the next one.